Hi, today we create a function that takes an integer as an argument and we have to return an array in a descending order. Here we are at the code editor. So what I propose to do is to create a new list, result, and then to iterate through the array for integer in the range starting from 0 to the argument. So we have to make 5 iterations. Colon, let's print the integer to see what it looks like. So this will be printed out and these are the integers that will be appended to the result. As you can see, it should start with 1 and not with 0. So we can change the starting point from 0 to 1. And the end of the range shouldn't be the argument, but the argument plus 1. Whoops, there's a little typo here. That should be integer. Okay, this looks better. So let's append the integers to the empty list. Integer. And let's return the result here. In the result are the right values, but not in the right order. It basically means that we can sort it, but in a reverse manner. Reverse would be true, would be equal to true. None. Okay. Let's return the result here. Okay, this looks better. This will do it, but on second thought, when I look at this, it would be actually smart to start off with n as a starting point and to end up with 1 and to subtract 1 every iteration. What do I mean by that? Well, let's print out the integer like here. And as you can see, the integers are printed out in a descending order right away. However, we need an extra iteration, so the input shouldn't be 1 but 0, like this. And that means that we can append the integers right away to the empty list. Integer, and then we can immediately return the result. There we go. And of course, we can include this in one list comprehension like this. So return integer for integer in this range. Oops. Don't forget the square brackets. And there we go. Let's test it. Test. Voila.